Long before modern grocery chains existed, Indigenous communities across Canada thrived for millennia by mastering a deep, sophisticated culinary connection to the land beneath their feet. In this video, we are honoring that ancient wisdom by uncovering 10 incredible, deeply flavorful native Canadian recipes that are completely missing from mainstream cookbooks. From the dense pine forests of the Pacific Northwest to the vast eastern woodlands, these traditional dishes rely on natural, highly sustainable ingredients that unlock flavors you cannot find anywhere else. We will guide you through the rich cultural heritage behind each meal and show you exactly how to incorporate these timeless techniques into your own modern kitchen. Make sure to stay with us until our very last recipe, because this ancient hunter's staple uses a brilliant natural preservation method to pack an explosion of wild berry and savory flavor that completely redefines the concept of a modern energy bar. Recipe 1. Traditional Three Sisters Soup. This comforting harvest dish perfectly showcases the brilliant agricultural synergy practiced by the Haudenosaunee and other First Nations tribes. Corn, beans, and squash are known as the Three Sisters because they protect and nourish each other while growing together in the field. Simmered together in one pot with wild onions and a light vegetable broth, they form a perfect nutritional balance, creating a thick, savory stew that is naturally sweet and exceptionally hearty. Recipe 2. Cedar-planked wild salmon with blackberry glaze. In the coastal communities of the Pacific Northwest, salmon is regarded as a sacred gift from the ocean. This ancient cooking method involves securing wild-caught salmon fillets onto split cedar planks and slowly roasting them next to an open alder wood fire. The natural oils of the cedar wood infuse the fish with a deep, smoky aroma, which is beautifully complemented by a thick glaze made from crushed wild blackberries and maple sap. Recipe 3. Authentic Indigenous Bannock. While Bannock was heavily adapted during the fur trade era, using imported flour, it has become a cherished staple of Indigenous gatherings across Canada. The dough is mixed simply with flour, baking powder, water, and a touch of clarified fat, then shaped into flat discs. Fried in a hot skillet until golden brown and puffed, it boasts a crispy exterior and a wonderfully soft, pillowy interior that pairs perfectly with sweet Saskatoon berry jam or savory wild game stews. Recipe 4. Wild rice and mushroom sauté. True wild rice, known as manoomin, is actually a highly nutritious aquatic grass sacred to the Anishinaabe people of the Great Lakes region. Unlike commercial varieties, wild harvested manoomin is gathered by hand from canoes and possesses a distinctively smoky, nutty flavor profile. Sautéed gently in a pan with gathered wild chanterelle mushrooms, wild leeks, and a splash of hazelnut oil, this dish delivers an earthiness that makes you feel completely connected to the forest floor. Recipe 5. Traditional moose stew with root vegetables. For generations, moose hunting has provided vital sustenance for subarctic and boreal First Nations communities through long, brutal winters. This slow-cooked recipe honors the animal by simmering tough cuts of wild moose meat for hours until it becomes incredibly tender and melts in your mouth. The broth is deeply enriched with wild juniper berries, sweet parsnips, and wild carrots, creating a rich, dark gravy that provides dense, comforting warmth. While this wild game stew has sustained families through the coldest winter nights, wait until you see how an eastern woodland tribe transformed a simple forest evergreen into a sweet, refreshing culinary glaze. Recipe 6. Spruce beer glazed roasted duck. Indigenous peoples across Canada have long recognized the immense medicinal and culinary value of evergreen trees. This brilliant recipe uses the bright, citrusy green tips of spring spruce trees to create a unique reduction. When simmered down with a touch of birch syrup, and brushed over a slow-roasted wild duck. The evergreen glaze cuts right through the rich, gamey fat of the bird, yielding an incredibly crispy skin with an aromatic pine citrus finish. Recipe 7. Ojibwe corn roast with maple butter. Sweet corn has been cultivated and celebrated across the eastern woodlands for centuries, with traditional corn roasts serving as vital communal celebrations. Fresh ears of sweet corn are kept in their natural husks, soaked in water, and roasted directly over hot wood coals until the outer layers are beautifully charred. Peeling back the husks reveals intensely sweet steamed kernels that are finished with a brush of melted butter infused with pure dark maple syrup. Recipe 8. Atlantic Mi'kmaq Luskinnick. Luskinnicken is a traditional quick bread deeply woven into the daily heritage of the Mi'kmaq people of the Atlantic coast. Requiring absolutely no yeast, this dense, comforting pan bread is mixed by hand and baked directly in a cast-iron skillet or over an open hearth. It has a heavy, satisfying crumb that makes it the ultimate vehicle for soaking up clam broths or heavy winter stews, remaining an enduring symbol of coastal resilience. Recipe 9. Wild blueberry and chia seed pudding. Wild lowbush blueberries are native to eastern Canada and pack a far more concentrated, intensely sweet flavor than large cultivated store-bought berries. This modern adaptation of an ancient berry paste involves simmering the wild berries with a splash of water until they burst and release their rich, purple juices. Stirred together with native chia seeds and a touch of honey, it thickens naturally into a vibrant, antioxidant-rich pudding that celebrates the natural sweetness of summer foraging. Recipe 10. Traditional Plains Pemmican. This brings us to our ultimate culinary highlight. Plains Pemmican, the legendary survival food developed by the Indigenous nations of the vast Canadian prairies. Lean bison or venison meat is thinly sliced, dried thoroughly over a smoky fire, and then pounded down into a fine, fibrous powder. This meat powder is mixed in equal parts with rendered bison fat and dried, crushed Saskatoon berries, then pressed firmly into dense blocks. The result is a savory, deeply rich, and nutrient-dense powerhouse that can remain perfectly preserved for years without refrigeration. These 10 incredible native recipes prove that traditional Indigenous cuisine is a beautiful, sophisticated masterclass in sustainability, deep flavor, and a profound respect for the natural bounty of Canada. Let's look at how you can responsibly source these traditional wild ingredients for your own kitchen right now.